Hi guys, it feels good to be back. I know it's been a very long time, but please welcome me back. So today's video is a well detailed eyebrow process video. So the first thing I did off camera was to carve my model's eyebrow to remove the undergrowth and excess hair sticking out. Then I used my hair wax to lay the hair properly. Next, I used my setting powder to set the area to absorb any oil from the hair wax and to enable my pen to glide smoothly. And now I'm drawing a line following the shape of my model's eyebrow for the upper and lower parts of the eyebrow. So please always make sure your pencil tip is very sharp. Next, I am filling in the eyebrow area, covering up for the area that looks scanty. And then for the front part of the eyebrow, I'm giving it a like stroke. And next, I am brushing to blend. Brush to blend. This is very important. So I'll also do that for the other side, for the other part of the eyebrow. You're not shading, you're just filling lightly to still give it that natural feel, okay? So please do enjoy, sit back, relax. And I hope this video is not too fast. I just hope you learn something from it. So what I'm doing now is highlighting the eyebrow. I want that well-defined shape. I want it to come out very nice. So I'm using a lighter shade of concealer from the middle part to the tail end of the eyebrow area, and then make sure you blend. Blending is very important, and I'm doing that for the other side too. Blending very important to avoid harsh lines. So please enjoy, and please remember to subscribe. See, I promise to always drop educative videos now. I won't even stay away from this app anymore. So for the front part of the eyebrow, I'm using a concealer shade close to our own shade. See, I made a mistake. I did not clean the tip of my angled brush properly. So that is why you are still seeing effect from the lighter shade of concealer. See, mistakes are bound to happen. So for the other upper part, so I'm using the same shade I used for the front part at the lower area of my eyebrow. You see, you're still seeing that effect of the lighter shade of concealer. But don't worry, we got it covered. All you have to do is just blend. Blend, and no one is going to ever notice. So blend, and I'll do that for the other side too. So as I was saying, mistakes are bound to happen. But as you are working, always check your eyebrow from afar. Please check to make sure that they are both on the same page and they are balanced. So make sure you blend. You see, this blending is very important too. So we're almost there. Look at that. And we are here. Look at my model, so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.